Welcome back, guys. Today's video I'm going to be talking about what are the plans for the truck, the update. I haven't released a lot on it since I made my short and the TikTok. I got some videos that are going to still come out, but this is just, I'm going to go ahead and put it all out there. It's just going to be me sitting down and talking about it. We got the ECM back after we had sent it off to get it checked because we was told it was bad. And it was bad. They fixed it, we put it in the truck, everything worked like it should. We started cranking the truck, it just cranked endlessly. And it smoked a little bit, but it just wasn't good. It wasn't what we was hoping for. So I know that fuel is a big problem with these trucks, and we was sucking air somewhere, but we have a lift pump, so it still should have started. So I started kind of going down the list of different stuff I should check and diagnose. Well, after I checked the fuel lines for cracks, I didn't see none, so I thought, well, I'm gonna go ahead and just rip the Band-Aid off. I pulled the meter and valve to check and see if there was any metal shavings. Unfortunately, there was. Not what we was hoping for, but that's what I ended up with. And I'm gonna fix it. I have to fix it. There's just no way around that. I'm gonna be fixing it. And I'm gonna take you guys on the process with me. But that means that I need to go ahead and start. I need to move the truck in here. Hopefully it fits. It's got a huge lift on it and I really need it to fit so you can work on it at night, whatever, and have lights. My plan is to record everything so hopefully you guys can see the process. So I mean, it don't scare you to do it yourself. I've deleted my 2016, I've deleted a 2009. I'm by no means a professional mechanic or anything. Still gonna release some of the clips I already have, like I've stripped the entire interior out of the truck, headliner all. And we're still gonna put all that back together and such, but we're gonna attack the mechanical issue first. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. I hate to bring it to you, but that's just how it is. And I appreciate you guys following along and stay tuned for this build process and we'll get it all sorted out. So that's it for this one. See you guys in the next one.